Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on receiving phone notifications on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you would like to receive notifications from your phone on your Realme Watch 2, then follow the next steps. You do this from the Realme Link app, so open the app on your phone, and on the home page of the app tap your watch's name under My Devices. Tap Notifications from the options. Turn on the toggle to the right of Notifications. You can now use the toggles to choose which apps you would like to receive notifications from on your watch. Turn off the toggles to the right of apps that you would not like to receive notifications from. When the toggles are turned on, they are blue, and when turned off, they are grey. At the bottom of the apps, you can tap More to see more apps to receive notifications from. You will now receive notifications on your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.